The defense counsel in the case against Tanzania's main opposition party chair, Freeman Mbowe, and 3 others, last Wednesday said they had presented the last of their witnesses in a minor case that emanated from the primary case. The court heard the testimony of the third defense witness, the wife of one of the accused, Adam Kasekwa, who had earlier testified on the same day for about 5 hours. In a response to a question on her whereabouts on the 9th of August last year, the day Kasekwa was apprehended, his wife, Lillian Kibona, said that she came from the hospital with their ailing child only to find her home in chaos, and upon inquiring from a neighbor, she learned police officials had searched their home. Kibona would much later learn that her husband Kasekwa was being held at a police station with the 2 other defendants in the case Freeman Mbowe is facing. This includes Mohamed Lingwenye and Halfan Bwire. Kasekwa's wife further told the court that she would later manage to visit her husband while in police custody and added she found he had been tortured and in a bad state. Kasekwa last week left the court in silence as he recounted the torture he faced while he was in police custody last year. He claimed he suffered a gunshot wound and was hung and pinned to a pole and beaten thoroughly, before later being coerced to append his signature to some papers whose purpose he did not know. Kasekwa claimed that the former Director of Criminal Investigation, now the Regional Police Commander, ACP Ramadan Kingai, who recorded his statement, did torture him. Another accused, Mohamed Lingwenye, also last week shared an almost similar account in court, where he said during the same period, while he was in police custody, he was hung upside down and tortured, in addition to being denied food, bearing in mind that by law, anyone held in a cell is entitled to have a meal. The Regional Police Commander, Ramadan Kingai, on the 29th of last month, told the court that he was the one who recorded Kasekwa's statement upon being apprehended, and went ahead to ask the court to admit it as evidence. The request was strongly opposed by lead defense counsel Peter Kibatala, who asked the court not to admit the statement because it was not made voluntarily. The defense lawyers claimed the accused gave the statement after he was tortured under the supervision of Kingai, and this is how the minor case emerged. CHADEMA's opposition party chair, Freeman Mbowe, Halfan Bwire, Adam Kasekwa, and Mohamed Lingwenye are facing charges related to economic sabotage and terrorism. The presiding judge, Mustafa Siani, last Wednesday said that he will give a verdict in the minor case on October 19, 2021. Leangare for Mwanzo TV.